One of the main concerns clients have when they come to the London Hair Clinic for a system is, will it look natural? And we say yes, it will. I'm going to just demonstrate to you how I'm going to soften up this piece's hairline to create baby hairs, which we all have, and so it creates a nice soft outline to the front. As you can see, I've sectioned off a small section of hair all the way around the hairline, and now I'm going to just cut pieces away just to create a natural look, so that when the wind blows or the hair goes behind your ears, you have this natural hair coming down. As you can see, I've softened up the hairline, given it some natural baby hairs, so when the wind blows or you tuck your system behind your ear, there's no way anybody could tell it wasn't your own hair.